Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add Macy's card to your existing Macy's account. If you don't have a Macy's account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. On this page, you will see a section for Macy's credit card. Under Macy's credit card is an option for Add Your Macy's Card. Click on Add Your Macy's Card. Next is to enter information about your card. So on the first field, enter your card number. On the second field, enter the name on the card, then enter your card's security code. After that, enter the last 4 digits of the primary cardholder's SSN. After that, review the following details and read the consent agreement for Macy's terms of use. So after reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Add Card. That's how you add Macy's card to your existing Macy's account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.